How do you make your pool area as safe as possible? This couldn't be more important. And the thing that I would like to say about swimming pool safety is that you need to recognize the swimming pool area is never safe. Complacency is, the big problem when it comes to pool safety because the pool is there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's easy to take it for granted. And the truth is that you can take steps, you can restrict access, you can put up fences and gates and door alarms and window alarms and water motion alarms, things like that. And to a certain extent, I almost find that I dislike these items because it creates this false sense of security. Like I've got 9 alarms and a self-closing gate and unclimbable fences and all this stuff. How could there possibly be a problem? And yet there totally could be. And the thing that you need to know as a swimming pool owner in order to make the pool safe is that the only safe swimming pool is the one where there is constant supervision of anybody in and around the pool. And that's it. There is no alarm or gate or anything like that that is good enough or takes the place of a person being there at all times. And that's what I want you to know as a pool owner. And you're like, well, I can't be there all the time. Well, good. Then you understand that you can't be there all the time. And so you had better do everything that you could, every step that you can possibly take, every alarm that you can buy. But you still respect the fact and know it's not safe and that there has to be somebody there all the time, especially with children. You just can't take it safe enough. So that's what I tell to new pool owners all the time who are asking me, how do I make it safe? You make it safe by respecting the fact that it's dangerous. And I know that sounds kind of simple or counterintuitive even, but it's really just that. Just you have to know that it's a dangerous environment and it's your responsibility to constantly monitor it and never take it for granted. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.